today we learned how to do science. So I'm going to get to it in the next video. Bye.
How do you make a bath bomb?
Don't worry, it's easy. You just need this stuff to make one. And here's the stuff for the bath bomb too. There's some of these crunchy stuff and some sprinkles and some sprinkles that you can't eat and toys that you put special toms to put in the bath bomb. Oh, I'm choosing this TV. Wait, this one because it's my favorite color. Step 1, open the box. Whoa! We're doing the bath bomb experiment. I got this is all the stuff. Find the extract fin. Now we need a bowl. A bowl that's appeared. We need a cup of water. Wow, a cup of water just came into my hands. Sit with, ask with. These are baking soda.
Baking soda.
These are
Citric acid.
Put one baking soda in the bowl. I'm holding it in the bowl so nothing gets out. Whoa.
You need 1 dropper full of water and
Mix. I'm gonna put in the acid.
citric acid going in.
Put all of it in. All of it? Yeah. It's all gone. Mix! Acid's getting mixed up. Acid that melts stuff.
Smooth out all the clumps. Using your molds, put some sprinkles in. Yay! Triple sprinkles. First, fill up the side with the sprinkles. And you can also pack it down with the back of the spoon.
Big one. I think that
Then you fill up the other mold halfway full. If you have any surprise toys you want to put inside, do it now. Surprise! Continue filling it up. Boom. 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 Now we're ready to squish our 2 molds together. But wait, first we filled it up with all the rest of our mixture. So go ahead and put them together now.
Yeah.
Squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze.
Here. And then here. Let's go with this.
When you filled it up with all of your mixture, squeeze them together. Ooh.
Set aside for 2 hours. It's my brother's turn.
So we learned it's easier to squeeze it inside the bag before we add it. This is the acid. So we're squeezing it and breaking it up in the bag before we put it in. Moving on to our next bath bomb. Pour in the baking soda.
This is baking soda?
All of it. Add a dropper full of water.
white bath bomb, you can make little sprinkles and stuff. Add the acid. Wow, it matches my colored bath bomb.
Is it stinky?
Oh, that's my nose. Put in your supply store. Squeeze it together. Squeeze it fast.
Squeeze it.
Oh, here comes 2 hours for a bath bomb. We're done in 2 hours.
Okay, are we ready to put it in the mold?
I think.
Do we have another surprise toy?
Yes. Ava.
Squeeze! Ah! Squeeze and squeeze and squeeze!
2 hours. 3 bath bombs. 2 bath bombs are done. I'm going to carefully open my bath bomb. What's it do? The game is here. Where's the What just happened with the sprinkles? What happened with the sprinkles? Done. Done. Okay, now it's my turn to open my bath bomb. So light blue. Here's the pink on the bottom. We do it carefully.
Do it very carefully.
Okay, how do we do it? You open it
There's
by
like a little tab right there. Yeah.
Mine is almost keep them at the same area. Stop! I'm supposed to be.
Yeah, he's supposed to be doing it.
I'm so gonna find this open it. Nope, I said careful. I found mommy's side there. Wow. Whoa. This puppy gobble. Next is
Oh, it's kind of breaking apart
Can you help
by
me?
the sprinkle side.
No, Isaac, hold
Or no,
it.
with the-
Can you help me get thin?
Oh, it's kind of breaking on the bottom.
Yeah, I think we need some more water. Sprinkle, I'm gonna eat
maybe.
Oh, if this happens, then we should. Mom, I'm gonna eat the sprinkle. I'm gonna eat the sprinkle. No, it's not edible. Yes. It's
Oh, okay, so I see the toy was like too close to the bottom, and I don't think there was a good seal all the way around the toy.
My turn.
So that's what happened, but you know what? It'll still work.
My turn.
So there's that bath bomb.
Ava's
You wanna keep it in
turn.
there? Okay, go ahead.
No, I need help. This is yours. Oh, that one was at the side. Mine's a little bit too.
Ooh.
If it's really strong.
Ooh, it looks like a planet. It looks like Saturn with a ring. Look. Ooh. Hold it up to the camera right here so we can see. Let's bring it over. Lower. Ooh.
Where are we going? Mom, can we go on? Can we take a bath? Can we take a bath?
Everybody say bye.